Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you such an amazing trick. I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned from Fortnite. It's not something difficult. Just follow every step that I'm going to show you in this video and you're going to be able to get unbanned from Fortnite, okay? So without wasting your time guys, let's get into the tutorial. So I am going now to my home screen so I can show you how you can do it. And as you can see guys, I'm on my home screen and here I have Fortnite unban app, and that's the exact app that we're gonna use. So I'm gonna open it so I can show you how it works. And as you can see, what I need to do is to just enter my username and Epic Games ID and then click on unban, and I'm gonna get unbanned. So I'm gonna enter my info, then I'm gonna click on unban. And as you can see guys, success, your account has been unbanned. As I told you, it's not something difficult and I know that you're excited about it, so I'm gonna show you how you can do it, okay? So for now, I am going to get out from the app, and first we need to make some changes on settings, okay? So make sure to make these changes first. So I'm gonna go to settings and open it, and then let's go to general, then background app refresh and background app refresh again, and make sure that the background app refresh is on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data, not off, okay? And for me, I will keep it on Wi-Fi. And let's go back now to settings, and now let's go to battery. Okay, so now what you need to do is to just make sure that the low power mode is off, not on but off, okay? And after making these changes, now we're done with settings. We can get out from settings now. And now I'm going to show you how you can get this app so you can get unbanned from Fortnite. So the first thing that you need to do is to just go to any browser you want. I will not give you a specific one. You can choose any browser. For me, I will choose Safari, okay? And that's the website that we're going to use. It's called tweakfix.co, okay? So this website has a lot of apps that you can get them all completely for free. Like all of these apps, you can get them all completely for free. So now let's go to the search bar and let's search for Fortnite. Okay, so that's it, Fortnite unban. I'm gonna click on install and it's downloading. Okay. It will not take a long time, just a few seconds, so let's wait. Okay, it's going. Okay, so now what we need to do is to click on allow, so we can allow this app to be downloaded on our device. So I'm gonna click on allow, then close, and now let's go to settings so we can complete the process of downloading this app, okay? This is important, so make sure you're going with me to settings, and let's go to profile downloaded, install. I'm gonna enter my passcode, next, install, and install again, and we're done. Now the app is downloaded. Now what we need to do is to just go and search for the app. That's it, Fortnite unban. I'm gonna open it. Okay, so now as they said here, missing files, additional files are required for Fortnite unban. So let's click on go and go again, and please install and complete the instructions of 3 free apps or offers to finish the download. So what we need to do now is to just download each app from these 3 appearing here. And why? Just to verify that you are a human, not a robot. Once you verify yourself that you are a human by downloading 3 from these apps, you're going to be able to access this app, which is Fortnite unban, and you're going to be able to get unban from Fortnite. And as I told you guys, it's not something difficult, just some simple steps, and you're going to be able to get unbanned from Fortnite. That would be it, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.